welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Happinessmajoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today is just today, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the things that I got from Miniso. And before I start this video, I am going to be taking you with me the day that I actually went to shop in the store.
Miniso, the life is so fun.
Okay, so guys, I met my primary schoolmate today at Miniso. Here she is.
Hi, I'm Tina.
Yeah, my friends are all pretty. I studied with pretty people like her.
Yes.
Yeah, call at me, I'll give you her number. Go big or go home. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. So let us jump right into the video where you actually get to see the things that I got from Miniso. The first item that I got from Miniso is this one. This bag. I know you're going to be shocked, all of you, but I do not have a black small bag or sling bag in my closet whatsoever. That's a necessary item because black goes with everything. So I do not have a black bag, and I thought this would be the opportunity for me to get this black bag. I got this black bag. This is what it looks like. It's a cute little bag. I like the shape of it. I have nothing like this in my closet. The fact that it has gold accessories is a plus. So you just open it like this. I managed to open the sling, and this is the sling of the bag. So the sling is actually attached to the bag. You cannot remove it, but you can always tuck it inside. Inside the bag there is no compartments at all. It is just a hollow space inside. I like this bag, but the only disadvantage is it does not have an inside material, like another material separating the bag from you putting your own things inside, if you know what I mean. You know how I like my bag. So yeah, this is the bag. This is the first item. Out of 10, I'd give it a 9 just because it does not have the material. The second item is, guys, I have been longing to own one of these things, and I finally got them at Miniso. This is just a cute little headband. The material is silk, so that's why I went for it. So yeah, I have this and I really like it. The fact that it's silk and it can match with any other color. It is more of a nude pink or nude, and I really love it. So guys, the third item is a diffuser. This is what it looks like. This is the diffuser. They have several scents if you want. I got lavender. I love the smell of lavender. So it has a testing place where you can actually smell the scent so that you know if you're going to pick it. So these are the sticks. These are the wooden sticks that come with the diffuser. They are 1, 2, 3. They are 5 sticks, and this is the diffuser itself. So it is 100 ml diffuser. So you just open here. Oh my god. And then you are going to be putting your wooden sticks here. So you put the sticks in here, and the sticks are going to emit the smell that you want, and this is so amazing. So another item that I got is these cotton facial pads. They are 1,000 pieces, and I think I got it for 400 Kenya shillings or 500, or those who are not in Kenya, I got this for like $5. Yeah, $5 is how much I got this. I don't know if I'm the only one in Mombasa who struggles to get the cotton pads. Let me just show you. So this is what I mean. I use this type of cotton pads for my makeup removal. This is what I use, and I'm really finding it hard to find them in Mombasa, and the only place I can get them is at the supermarket, and they're just outrageously expensive for nothing. And at times I use the round cotton balls, like the one you have to like pinch and use. Sometimes I use that if I do not get this. But now that Miniso is here, I got this. It is a set of 1,000 pieces, and I think it is very worth it. So I'm so excited that I am no longer going to the supermarket to buy good quality box here. So yeah, this is what they look like inside. I'm just going to take a piece out. So it's still the same with the other one. It's just that this one is circular and this is more of a square shape or a rectangle. Still on facial things, we have this. I also got this facial mask. It's an aloe vera facial mask. I've never used an aloe vera facial mask, and I decided to get this. I will be using this, and I'll show you guys in another video what I think about it and what the feeling is about. So another item that I got were these sunglasses. Let me tell you guys, my love for pink is on another level. So yeah, the other ones were just basic black and brown, and these were only 2 pieces remaining, and I thought maybe I can get this and we'll be only 2 people in Mombasa who wear this thing. So yeah, we'll be unique in our own way. What's popping? It's matching with my jewelry, you guys. Hey, I like these shades. They are screaming class. They are screaming don't touch me. They are screaming not basic over here. We are coming down to small sizes. So where you guys, my pencil pouches are screaming for help. They are screaming for help. And I saw this clear pouch and I thought, why not get this? Because another item that I got is this fragrance perfume. I got this at Miniso also. They have several fragrances. It's called a flipped perfume. This is the bottle that it comes in. This is what it looks like. It is 30 ml, and I love this detail over here. I mean, it is more of a fruity smell if you are a fruity smelling person. So last but not least, because I went to Miniso on the day they actually opened, they are having a grand opening at Mombasa. This was the gift they gave me or everyone who shopped there that day. This is what they gave us. It is it's a hand sanitizer basically. So if you shopped there, you are being given a hand sanitizer. So guys, that is it. That is basically just about it for this little Miniso haul that I have for you guys. So if you stayed until this point of the video, I'm going to be giving you directions of where Miniso is. So Miniso is located in Mombasa. Miniso is located at the City Mall along Mombasa Malindi Highway. Okay, it is at City Mall Nyali on the new wing, the very first shop on your right when you use the new wing entrance. That is where Miniso is, the very first shop on your right there. It's written Miniso. You are just going to see it. It's there, it's big, it's loud, plus it's the only shop around that corner that is actually open, because there are some stores that are still not open. They are still waiting for people to rent them out. So yeah, that is where Miniso is. So yeah, I even got to meet the manager of Miniso. Guys, that is it for today's video. Leave a comment if you like this haul. Let me know what you think about these items. Let me know what you think. Please give this a thumbs up. Leave a comment what you're actually going to get at Miniso, and if you've already been to Miniso, let me know what you actually got that you liked at Miniso. Always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Bye. Guys, I forgot to tell you something. So the prices of this item, I don't think I will be leaving a price on this item because it was the grand opening and prices might have changed. So I don't think it's necessary for me to leave the item's price tag on the video, but just in case you want me to, please let me know. I'll definitely share the item price with you guys. Who's that girl? Na 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 na. Who's that girl? I'm still